Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Team Deathmatch in Sea of Thieves. TDM is a fast-paced, player-versus-player combat style focusing on quick engagements and skilled weapon use. Your goal is to outmaneuver and defeat other pirate crews using a combination of firearms and melee attacks. Mastering your aim and understanding movement are key to success in these intense battles. Get ready to dive into the action and prove your combat prowess on the high seas. Choosing the right gear is crucial for TDM success. Many pirates opt for a primary firearm like the Eye of Reach for long-range precision or the blunderbuss for devastating close-quarters damage. Pair this with a cutlass for swift melee attacks. Always stock up on food, like pineapples, for quick health regeneration during intense fights. Don't forget to carry a good supply of cannonballs and wood for any unexpected ship damage. Effective combat tactics are essential for dominating TDM. Many skilled players master the double gun technique, rapidly switching between two firearms for maximum damage. In melee, utilize sword lunges to close distances and block counters to defend yourself. Practice movement techniques like strafing and jumping to make yourself a harder target. Remember, clear communication with your crew is vital for coordinating attacks and providing crucial support in the heat of battle. Consistent practice is the key to becoming a formidable TDM player. Engage in arena matches or seek out open-world encounters to constantly hone your combat skills. Watching experienced players can provide valuable insights into advanced strategies and movement patterns. Don't be afraid to experiment with various weapon combinations to discover a playstyle that suits you best. Focus on maintaining consistent aim and making quick, decisive choices under pressure to elevate your game.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.